from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
10 straight days with at least 100 new COVID-19 cases in Henrico. And the Sarah Dooley School for Autism prepares to welcome students next week. We'll have details in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, September 3rd, 2021. It's brought to you today by Henrico County CSB Prevention Services.
And now for the news.
Well, on Tuesday, almost 100 students will start their first day of school at the brand new 24,000 square foot Sarah Dooley Center for Autism at St. Joseph's Villa in northern Henrico. The school has a sensory library, a health suite, and other specialized spaces. It also will serve as a training facility to advance best practices in autism education, research, and care. Yesterday, the Villa celebrated the opening of the center with a ribbon-cutting ceremony. Unlike many other non-residential programs at private day schools, children who attend the Dooley Center typically return to the public school systems where they began. Now, the center looks and feels like a typical school, but it also includes specialized spaces that cater to students' sensory needs. It's also run like a public school with the same tempo, schedule, and patterns. Our Anna Bryson was there yesterday as the facility was dedicated, and she has much more about it. You can read her article on henricocitizen.com right now by clicking on News and then Education. Henrico's now had 10 straight days with more than 100 new COVID-19 cases, reported 133 new cases yesterday. The county's averaging 120 new daily cases in the past 7 days. There have been 20 hospitalizations related to the virus reported in the past 3 days, though it's unclear if all of those are related to new cases or not. 2 new virus-related deaths also have been reported in the county during the past 3 days. Henrico's positivity percentage in the last 7 days among PCR testing encounters, 10.6%, was just slightly higher than the state average of 10.4%, but rapid testing encounters in the county averaged a positivity percentage of 11.3%. That's about 3% higher than the state average. Facebook's Henrico Data Center is now serving as a hub for on-the-job construction career training. The job training program is called Hard Hat in Hand. It's sponsored by Facebook and creates a partnership with general contractor DPR Construction at the site, offering hands-on training for people to create a diverse pipeline of workers that officials say is needed for projects like the expansion of the data center in Sandston, as well as other projects locally. The program has 3 primary objectives: to expand the local skilled trades talent pipeline, to increase diversity in the construction industry, and to provide a path to reliable and well-paid job opportunities. And if you're looking for something to do on Labor Day, remember, admission to Lewis Ginter Botanical Garden is completely free from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's all part of Genworth Free Community Day. It'll include not only admission to the garden, but also to the exhibition M&T Bank Restore, the Healing Power of Nature. You can just walk in. There's no advanced registration required. Masking indoors is strongly encouraged for everyone, regardless of vaccination status. For those who are not fully vaccinated, masks are required indoors at all times and outdoors when 6 feet of social distancing is not possible. For details, visit lewisginter.org. And a reminder that this month, for the first 20 days of September, we are celebrating our 20th anniversary with 20 days of giving. Each day we are announcing a new gift that you can receive if you make a donation to the Citizen and our local journalism efforts. Today we're excited to offer a Kobo Clara HD e-reader. It has a retail value of $120, but it can be yours with just a $60 or greater donation. You can visit henricocitizen.com/contribute to make that donation and claim that e-reader.
As we all strive to do our part during this extraordinary time, Henrico Area Mental Health serves as your local and public mental health agency, continuing to do its part. We all experience mental health challenges, especially during extreme challenging times.
It doesn't matter your age, gender, race, or ethnicity. Each person is affected differently. If you're a resident of Charles City, New Kent, or Henrico counties, and you, a family member or friend, or someone you know may need someone to talk to about the mental health challenges being experienced.
Do your part and call us at 804-727-8515. That's 804-727-8515. We're here to help. Remember, mental health is good health. Call Henrico Area Mental Health at 804-727-8515. That number again is 804-727-8515.
This message comes to you from Henrico County CSB Prevention Services.